Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Joe, the DIY Joe. Today I'm gonna share with you how I'm gonna use this product that we bought in China, shipped from China. And this is to wipe the windows. So this product is to help you clean the windows both sides when you are not able to clean the other side of the window like this. So before it's like this, when you try to clean it, you are not actually able to use the wipe to clean it properly. So this product, I think it might help you to clean it from both sides at the same time. So let's see how it goes. So you see it has strong magnetic. First you just need to break it and you need to clean it a little bit. Okay, so then you the window and this side. Give me a wipe. So this side is here, right? Oh yeah, and this is the rope that will help you to make sure it doesn't fall. Okay, you just hold it. And you put this out. This one is very thick. So it might not be able to absorb properly. It's a very thick glass, two sides. So just need to be more careful. Okay, close. 也不稳了。这最大。Actually, it doesn't work so well because this glass has two layers. So the suction capability is not very good, so it's easily falls out. So before to use this, you have to better make sure you got the seat belt, okay? So it doesn't, in case it's falling from the window. So when you are cleaning the glasses, when it's not thick, it should be okay. So it goes okay. Slowly. Slowly, okay? Because normally actually you cannot reach out to clean this side, so it helps. So I think if the glass is not thick, it's a thin glass, it works better. It's stronger suction. Okay, first round is finished. Clean it. You can release this button. Release this button. So you just need to do it carefully, because this one inside, it doesn't have the seat belt. Okay, so you need to make sure it doesn't fall from the window, otherwise it will hurt somebody. And when it's sucked, you need to close the window so there's no space to fall out. So you got the seat belt out there. It's safe, it's better. There you go. Okay, the second time is smoother because we added some detergent here, so it goes more smoothly. I think it's better for you the first time to add more detergent, so it's because it's not a lot of dirt outside, so it goes smoother. So here's the review of this product today, and I hope you like it. And if you can give me a thumbs up and subscribe, it would do me a great support. And so I will see you in my next video. Thank you.